Hi guys, good morning. It's Nadine. I am here with you all today outside in my little balcony area. I don't really come out here as much like normally, but since quarantine happened, this is the place where I like to work out, get a bit of fresh air and some sunlight. Good morning guys. I just wanted to do a little vlog, a nice little morning routine till afternoon probably. Thanks so much for the comments on the last video. You guys said that you guys missed me and that you wanted to see more vlogs during this time, so that's exactly what we're doing today. It's around 7 a.m. and I've been actually waking up a bit early the past few days. My body clock is just, I'm awake at like 6. It's a beautiful day today. I love it. So we're gonna do a quick workout first. I like doing a couple of workout videos that would help wake me up and just overall boost my energy for the day. The first one is a 10-minute morning yoga practice by Yoga with Cassandra. I'm such a huge fan of this series by her. It's a 30-day morning yoga practice, and the flows that she has, like every single day is different and it's really good. It stretches me out and makes me feel overall super good about myself. And it's only 10 minutes. The next few workouts are from Chloe Ting's latest workout program. It targets your obliques and butt. It's not a high intensity workout, so if you're kind of lazy like me, then this is perfect for you. You can actually finish the workouts and like not feel bad about yourself because you feel accomplished. For breakfast, I've been liking some tea. I'm brewing my favorite from Gold Leaf Teas. It's the roasted brown rice one, and it's really nutty and refreshing. I just love the roastiness of it. I also really enjoy having a fruit, or right now today I'm having a mango for breakfast as it's sweet, good for my sweet cravings. So after breakfast, I like to come here in my space and I do a little bit of journaling. It's like my favorite thing to do. I have my bullet journal. I still try to keep up with it. To be honest, my spread right now is super small because I don't really have much of a to-do list. Like the space of it is so tiny. The main thing or the main purpose of my like spread, this is a spread. It's like similar to like my previous one. I have the kind of gratitude or like a line a day sort of thing. I like to write like a good thing that happened yesterday, like right now I'm gonna do that. And I also wrote down, like at the top of the page, I wrote that amidst everything that's happening and uncertainty, light will still shine. I just really like being grateful about things, even though like everything is kind of scary right now. And I also have a meal plan, which is the best because I am the self-proclaimed cook, not even a chef, just the cook of the household with this quarantine. So I'm actually gonna cook with you guys later for lunch. I'm gonna do that. And I also like to journal about yesterday, like things and events. I love just jotting little things down so that I can remember things. Actually, we have a sponsor for today's video, which is great. Thank you so much. So Skillshare is a sponsor, and I know you guys have probably heard a lot about Skillshare already, but if you haven't, Skillshare is an online learning platform wherein creatives or people who have that interest to learn or like discover themselves even further can go and just take some classes, just discover a whole different side of you. During this time I have a lot of free time, so it's like the perfect time for me to take a class and have some sort of structure to my day. But by no means am I telling you guys or preaching that productivity is like the #1 priority right now, because like that's totally not the message that I have. I just really find myself to be a lot more grounded and just more secure when I have something to do. So that's why I'm telling you about this. There's a lot of classes there for you to choose from, and so much about graphic design, illustration, video editing, like aesthetic things. So if you guys are interested in joining, you guys should definitely go to the description box and click the link down below, because the first 1,000 people who click the link, they will get a 2-month free membership, premium membership from Skillshare. So I hope you guys check that out. But since I'm talking about journaling, the class that I'm currently taking right now is a journaling class. So it's called Writing for Self-Discovery, 6 Journaling Prompts for Gratitude and Growth, and it's taught by Yasmin Shayan. and I really like her vibe. I don't know, just watching her videos, you just feel accepted. Yesterday, what I had to do was I had to write down a list of what brings me joy, and I made it super specific, like things that brings me joy despite this quarantine. So I'm just gonna read. I just want to share a tiny bit with you guys. It's really the little things. So I wrote, they're super small, but finishing a workout, like what I did a while ago, just completing a video, like that, feeling so great. I also wrote when my family compliments me about my food, and also I really like the smell of garlic and onion in the pan when you fry them up first. Like, that's my favorite thing ever. I also did the next prompt, which was called working through regrets. So I had to write about regrets that I had in the past. I really love that because I just learned a lot about myself, and it's really time for me to reflect. So I'm really excited to do the next 2 prompts. I'm probably gonna do 2 prompts right now.
Play around, being the strong person.
So it's actually like almost 11. I was just journaling, writing things down. Wow, just so much thoughts in the head and like researching stuff online. So now I actually want to do a little craft with you guys. I posted something on Instagram stories, and all of you guys were like, oh, do a tutorial, or can you make a vlog about this? So I will. We are gonna be making these like air dry clay sort of things. They're really fun. This one didn't really turn out super, like, I don't know what that is. They're really fun to make, and it's actually like quite cool. I mean, they're not perfect by any means, like mine aren't, but I think they add like a nice handmade touch to your room, to your desk. I have more, hold on. So these are like mostly just coasters because I don't really know, I mean, it doesn't even fit, but they're just really fun. Like, you can give them to your friends. And I also made like this little jewelry dish, so cute. And the ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Here is the blog post of where I got the recipe from. I will link it down below. Air dry clay out of baking soda and cornstarch. Here are the ingredients. You would need 1 cup cornstarch, 2 cups baking soda, and 1.5 cups of water. I think I'm gonna half it because this actually makes a lot of clay. Hey guys! So we're here in my kitchen. Here are my ingredients that I have. We have almost a cup of baking soda. So I kind of, you know what, we're just gonna try. I don't really have enough baking soda for this. And then half a cup of cornstarch. And then I tried to get 3/4 cup of water. Let's just get started with the recipe. It's super easy and fast, so don't worry. On a low heat, we are mixing in all of the ingredients together. We want to cook out the ingredients and make sure everything is well combined. I just kept stirring and stirring and stirring. This takes kind of a long time until the liquid started to get thicker and thicker. The end result should mimic the texture of mashed potatoes. Yeah, I think this is good. We can just transfer, and we're gonna let it cool for a bit because it's like way too hot to handle right now. While it's cooling, we're gonna cover it with a damp towel. So I'm just gonna dampen this towel just so that the moisture is like locked in check. So that's it. That is that. We're gonna wait for a while until it's cool and we can handle the clay. Friends, we are still in the kitchen. Right now we're making lunch. We're gonna make some gnocchi, which is like a potato pasta slash potato thingy dish. It's kind of soft, but I'm just gonna knead it and form it, and it's gonna be really delicious. So you guys should try this out if you have time. I'll link the recipe down below.
Yeah.
It's your new true.
Yeah, true. I might just start singing late again.
I'm currently using dough from 2 nights ago, but the ingredients were fairly simple. Just potatoes, flour, salt, and an egg. I'm currently rolling the dough out into the thinnest rope that I can manage, which isn't that thin, it's still quite thick, and I'm just cutting them into bite-sized pieces. I've honestly never had much gnocchi in my life, and I'm sure that I'm doing the wrong thing, but it's okay, we're just trying something new here, and I was craving gnocchi for some odd reason. After creating all the little nubs or the pasta, we are going to boil a pot of water and add some sea salt to it. This will help flavor our nubs later. So while we are waiting for the water to boil, it's time for us to make our sauce. I'm doing a tomato-based one today, so we need to start off with some olive oil and garlic. I like big chunks of garlic in my sauce, but feel free to chop them smaller if you'd like. Once the garlic is a bit cooked but not brown, I'm adding in some shrimp to cook. I seasoned them with some black pepper and I'm just flipping them over on the other side to cook through. Once the shrimp have been mostly cooked, I'm transferring them to a container to set aside first. With the oil, garlic, and shrimp juices, like it sounds weird, but you know what I mean. While those things are in the pan, I'm adding in a tin of tomatoes. I'm using chopped, but crushed should be better. I just only have chopped. I'll just let this simmer for a bit on the side because now the water is boiling. So that means we can cook the gnocchi. I'm using a slotted spoon to put the pasta in the boiling water. I'm doing this in batches so the pot won't be crowded. They should sink to the bottom of the pot first because you'll know that they're done once they've risen. And it takes about 40 seconds, maybe a minute. Yeah, that's how long I cooked mine because it was already floating then. So I take them all out and I put in a new batch. And you just repeat this until you're all done with your gnocchi. Don't they look super cute and fat all together? They look like potato dumplings. Going back to the sauce, I did add in a couple spoons of the salty and starchy pasta water to make it a little bit more liquidy. But now I'm just adding the pasta into the sauce, stirring so every one of them is covered in it. And I'm also adding the shrimp back in, of course, and just mix them until they're well combined, and then you're done. You made that from scratch, everything, so be proud. I'm really happy. It's really tasty. I do recommend, even if you've never tried gnocchi. And we're back in my room. I'm sorry if you guys think that this video is so boring because I'm literally just always in my room, but I have the clay here with me, so we're gonna knead it a bit and just kind of play with it, and then we can start forming some little coasters probably, or dishes. So yeah. Okay, so here's the clay. Let's just knead it a bit. It's super soft to play with, by the way. So as you can see, it's a bit sticky. So you can just add more cornstarch if you feel that way. Yeah, and you can basically start forming it now. I think I want to make dishes. Let's try just making one big dish. With this clay, we're gonna make a ball first. I'm not a pottery expert, by the way, and this is just how I think you can do. We're gonna make a little ball, maybe like this. Okay, and then we're just gonna basically start pinching until kind of a bowl forms. So it's definitely a bit sticky. So this is like a pinch pot type of situation. Fun, right, guys? It's very chill. Isn't it also quite amazing how with just those ingredients that we had and that we use, we're able to create something like clay? I think that's dope. Try my best to not have cracks. but it's kind of hard. You know what? This is fine. Guys, so here's my super amazing creation. It's hard, but there's like mega cracks. But I mean, I should still use it because otherwise I would have wasted so much baking soda. I mean, I can probably put like washi tape and stuff. But it's just not good. I don't recommend this. Please don't follow what I did. So while that bowl, which I've just put here on my table, is, you know, doing its thing and hardening, I can't really like paint it and show you guys me painting because it's gonna take a few days. But I realized, like I saw downstairs, that I still had like one little circle thing that we could like decorate together, so I'm just gonna do that. We are gonna make something like this, so it's like a marble print. I think it's super cool. So it's actually super easy to make. So we have our bowl of water, the thing that we're gonna cover, and we just need nail polish. I'm just gonna use two colors, a nice little beigey pink, nudie pink, and a sort of lavender shade. So all you need to do is put some nail polish in the little bowl and just kind of randomize it. And then here's the other one. Purple. There. You can like mix it up. Kind of mix it. And then you can just dip it. I don't know if it's gonna work well actually, guys. Wait. Oh, this is a fail. This is bad. I don't know why it turned out so bad. Okay guys, so here we are back. I got a smaller cup. I don't know if it's gonna change. I don't know why it's not like super working. Okay, let's just put it in. Okay. I mean, I still think my first one was way cooler. So that basically wraps up my morning routine. It's actually not even morning anymore. It's already like around 2 p.m. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will also try to make an afternoon to nighttime routine. I think that would be also really fun to make and for you to watch, hopefully. I will see you guys super soon in my next upload. And yeah, this video was from my heart to yours. Peace. Stay safe, guys, and take care. Bye.